Imagine walking into a salon and already knowing exactly how you'll look with a brand new hairstyle. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I just found an AI tool that makes it possible in seconds. And the best part, you don't need to log in, sign up, or install anything. So just hit the subscribe button to get started. Step 1, getting started. Go to Google and search for RightHair AI. Click the official website from the results. Once you're in, you'll see a super clean interface where you can upload a photo and instantly try over 200 different haircuts, styles, and colors. Step 2, generate hairstyles. Just hit the Try Hairstyles Free Now button, and you are here. Upload your photo. The site even guides you on photo requirements: clear, front-facing, and good lighting. I am uploading this one. Now, just pick your desired ratio. I'm selecting free ratio for better image fit. After that, you can crop or rotate your image. Once done, hit apply. Now comes the fun part. Once uploaded, you'll get access to a massive hairstyle library. Long cuts, short cuts, curls, bangs, fades, even bold colors. Just click a style and hit generate. In under 30 seconds, the AI gives you a professional quality transformation of your look. No delays, no watermarks, just instant results. And with one click, you can download your new hairstyle. Step 3, more style. Let's also try a male style. Upload a photo, pick a haircut, hit generate, and boom, the results look so realistic. What's even better? RightHair AI works on any device, phone, laptop, or tablet. No apps, no downloads. Just open it in your browser and you're set. So try RightHair AI today. Link is in the description. And if you want to generate a music video from a Suno AI song, watch the video on the left. Or for a product avatar video, check out the one on the right.